21 powerful positive affirmations for surrendering. My name is Nick Grimshawe, and I help people struggling with inner transformation to overcome those barriers to their personal and spiritual growth by focusing on the principles of positive psychology. Positivity, it's a powerful force. So the story of the creation of these affirmations, it comes from reading the book, The Surrender Experiment by Michael Singer. And on reading that and then doing a talk about surrendering, I wanted to have something to give the audience as I'm giving my presentation. I always like to have a takeaway, something that you have in your hand. And so I wrote 21 affirmations on surrendering so that people could help retrain their brain to this idea that it's okay to surrender, and that what we're surrendering is those inauthentic parts of ourselves. So how to use positive affirmations? First of all, most critical, write them down. So you're going to hear affirmations today, and I am going to give you a link in the show notes on where to go to get the actual version of the affirmations so you can write them out by hand. This brings it out of the ether, out of the non-physical universe, and makes it real in this universe. By writing it down, you're making it real. You're making your brain pay more attention to those positive affirmations. And then when you do use an affirmation for the first time, I recommend that you say it out loud. Again, you're retraining your brain, and the brain is hearing you say this out loud. And so it's going to pay attention. The superpower of positive affirmations is repetition. Use them often. We recommend that you use them first thing in the morning, somewhere around midday if you're working and you're taking a lunch break, and in the evening just before you go to bed. And that sets up that cycle of positivity, that you're starting your day with positivity and you're ending your day with positivity. And so you're building that positive muscle and helping overcome our negative images of ourselves. And then when you do say the affirmations, don't go, oh yeah, I'm great, I'm wonderful, I'm a genius, I'm a billionaire, whatever your affirmations are. Say them with feeling, trust, and belief. Really mean them. And the brain will start to believe what you're saying is the truth about yourself. So let's get into the affirmations. I'm going to read them, and then I'll give you time to repeat them out loud or to yourself as we're going through this video. And that's part of the practice here, is getting familiar with using these affirmations. So if you repeat them after me, you begin to get comfortable with the process of using affirmations. And the reason you hear people say, oh, they don't work, is because people don't give the affirmation time to work. Remember, you've been saying negative affirmations all of your life. And now you're going to start a practice of being more positive and saying positive things. And this takes a while to retrain that brain out of that rut of negativity. So here's our first affirmation. I am releasing the desire to make the world conform to my preferences and accept the world in front of me just as it is. Now repeat that affirmation. I am faithful that the universe will support me in living my clearly defined vision of the greater life awaiting me. What I'm seeing clearly, the universe is engaged in delivering to me. Let's think about that one. What I am seeing clearly, the universe is engaged in delivering to me. I am ready to surrender those inauthentic parts of me. I understand that what is in front of me are the things the universe agrees that I am ready to surrender. I release with love those things that no longer serve my greater good. I love myself wholly as I embrace the process of surrendering. I am filled with sparkling light as I release the burdens of the past to infinite love. I am relishing the lightness of being as I release the weight of trauma, hurt, and shame. Remember to be repeating these after I read them. I am buoyed by my ability to powerfully release the inauthentic bits and pieces of my life. I am enjoying the newfound vibrancy and zest and zeal that flows through me as I release my past in exchange for a brighter, more exuberant future. Say that with meaning. I am enjoying this newfound vibrancy and zest and zeal that flows through me as I release my past in exchange for a brighter, more exuberant future. As I give up my old stories, I am amazed to find vast and sparkling spaces to create new stories that elevate me to a higher plane of being. Joy-bound and fearless, I embrace the act of surrendering to what is. I am imagining a world of weightless, effortless creation, freed from the effort of forcing the world to fit my preferences. I dance on moonbeams. I am surrendering my darkness to the light. Repeat that. I am surrendering my darkness to the light. I know the universe loves me and won't ask me to surrender anything I am not ready to surrender. I am a fearless surrenderer. I love that. I am a fearless surrenderer. As I surrender, I come shining through the fog to feel the unconditional love of the divine presence that I am flowing into the universe. As I surrender the things that block the flow of miracles in my life, I am now surrounded by magical, glittering moments. I am magical. One small step at a time, I release the little niggling thoughts that occupy my mind. Each little step of release is a miracle in love and compassion. I am filled with glorious sunshine as I live effortlessly in the embrace of universal flow. I am surrendering everything that whispers of force and effort and accepting what is here now with love, gratitude, and tranquility. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these affirmations. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us with YouTube when you like, comment, subscribe, and ask for notifications when we do another one of these. Thank you for watching. You have been watching a beautiful summer morning video presentation.